I'm Estelle, I'm the founder of Florida Van Life, and this is our latest van. This was actually a semi-custom build for one of our clients, and that's why it's like a slightly different look than our typical, but I'm really proud of it, and we really did an awesome job. So we have our standard hammock chair, of course. Easy to move, like this, and then when you walk right in, it's our standard layout of up here. We have the kitchen, sink. It drains right outside. There's a lot of storage underneath here. This is a basic build, so it doesn't come with a microwave or anything. You can always add it later if you want. And then we of course have the very comfortable queen size bed, with our signature skylights. And this has been through the Florida like summer storms, so it's leak proof now, which is good. It's always good when you get like the natural test of Florida rainstorms. And then of course we have the rainbow tint to give you privacy, and then we have a lot of personality in this one based on the semi-custom build for our client. And the good thing is this actually comes with some storage up here, so for books, your bedtime essentials, anything like that. It also comes with our welcome guide, and we provide this for every single van that we send out, and it's a huge guide. It comes with your certificate of ownership, and then an acknowledgement of the journey here for you to sign, and then a whole bunch of info. It's a thick boy, so anything that you might need to know, it's in here. I'm all about empowerment, independence for the next buyers. And then up here, there's a lot of storage as well. This is where you can keep books, decorations, clothes, anything you need. And then again, our standard look is we have a lot of storage down here too. So you can keep anything. It actually still has the items from the previous owner, so you get to see how it could look as, using it, living in the van. And then we have some lights, some basic, really cute twinkle lights, which actually in the, at night is plenty, for sure. And then as we come to the front, up here, we have the curtains. Nice and cute. And this one, it's actually really cool, and I feel inspired to maybe do this next time, but there's all these amazing shells from the beach, and the previous owner put all of these really beautiful rocks, and it's from Lake Superior up in Minnesota, where coincidentally, I am from Minnesota, and the previous owner, the woman we did the custom build for. So it's really beautiful. We have like pieces of nature all throughout, and of course unique works of art everywhere. This is a nice mirror, but it's giving very bad bitch vibes up here as well. And then we have tapestries and nature. Yeah, it's every single thing is a unique work of art with all of our vans. And then we'll go around the back and I'll show you what's behind the van as well. Here we have, of course, a van ladder, so you can climb on up and enjoy sunsets or anything up here. And then as you open up this, we can actually add, if you'd like to do a upgrade, we can add an AC unit and a whole off-grid battery system. So depending on whoever buys this, if they want to be comfortable and have air conditioning blowing at night, we can definitely do that. And then here, more storage. Our classic, it goes all the way through on either side. So you can actually access everything from the inside and outside. And I love to do that because when you're a solo traveler, you can be in there at night and you can access everything completely inside. You don't have to get out in the middle of the night and grab something from here. And that's pretty much it. We have, this one is, we got the wood paneling across the whole ceiling. It's our standard look, but this is a lot more artistic and vibrant. And we're really proud of this. We love the outside paint job. That's one of the coolest parts. Well, thanks for watching the tour of our latest van. We're really proud of this. As you can tell with our channel, pretty much they all have a very similar design, but each one is completely unique work of art. And yeah, you'll never see another van like this out there. We love it. Hope you do too. Let us know if you want this. And if you want to stay wild and live free, come to Florida Van Life.